Hey guys, tonight's video is going to be a funny one, so if you are all interested in seeing some behind the scenes type footage, then you definitely want to watch this to the end. Today has been so eventful. We just got home. I had to sell a couple of antiques. So I had people coming to my house and it's just been absolute madness and a lot going on. But this afternoon we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do some holiday movies tonight because we actually really haven't been able to sit down and watch a movie together in a while. And we do like hot chocolate every day, so that's not anything new because you guys are hearing us talk about that all the time. And I've got some work to do today, and I think that we'll do an arts and crafts project because we haven't really done that in a while. And our schedule is totally changing and going crazy. So I just feel like to sit down and hang out and talk to the girls and chat with them a little bit will be fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the craft activities set up and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. So I was just on the phone with Angelina's teacher and I turn around and someone took their pants off. Johnny, what are you doing? Yeah? What are you doing? You don't want pants on? Crazy.
The world insane and narrow pining till he appeared and the spirit felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angel voices on night divine, the night when Christ was born. Oh, night, oh, holy night, oh, night.
Hey guys, welcome to day 8 of Vlogmas. So crazy. I can't believe I've made it 8 days of posting every single day. Let me tell you, it has been a challenge because this Vlogmas, I am actually doing it where I am vlogging throughout the day and I'm editing and I'm posting within the same day. And I have a lot of other things going on in my life, but you know what they say, if you make time for the things that you love, you will get them done. So, I mean, I just can't use that excuse where I don't have time for that. That goes right out the window. So I have made the time to make it so I can record and I can edit and I can post this video all in one day. And don't get me wrong, it has been stressful at times. And I feel like sometimes I'm not getting enough footage because I will do something and then kind of forget. Vlogging can be hard. And if you're not used to it, you're not used to recording the basic everyday things that you do in your life, right? So something for vlogging, people vlog themselves brushing their teeth. Well, I'm so robotic in brushing my teeth that I don't really think to stop and put on a camera first to record. Some great vlogs out there will show you all those like minuscule things and it really does like tie in their whole vlog together. So it's just something I'm getting used to. So bear with me over the next few days and thank you so much for all the support that's already been out there. I really, really appreciate it. I'm having so much fun learning so many new things and meeting a bunch of new women out there and all of their businesses, and it's just been fantastic. I really hope that we're spreading the joy and that people are getting, you know, new things and new products and new people in front of them because that's really what it's all about. If you haven't already joined my group, Moms with Goals, you should definitely hit the button in the description box below. This group is made for moms that have small businesses, moms that want to start a business, moms that want to work from home, maybe they want to open an Etsy shop, maybe they want to provide services for single moms, maybe they want to teach math online. There's just anything really. This group is so supportive. We have over 100 members now, which was one of my goals for the end of the year, and I've already accomplished it, so I'm so super excited about that. And so with that being said, I really am so excited to tell you about my new friend Allie tonight. Allie Beck. Allie is a mom of a 2-year-old girl, and her husband and her daughter, they love to be outside. They love to enjoy going hiking and kayaking and biking, and their daughter goes right along with them for most of their adventures, and she's a trooper along with them. So she told me that that is how she likes to spend her downtime. And for her business, she actually helps people brand their business. She does beautiful design. She helps create the copywriting and the mood for your design and how to do a website. She is fantastic. And so I definitely want you to check out her website. My words won't do it justice, so definitely click her link down below to go to her website. She has fantastic examples. She has a bunch of testimonials of people who have worked with her and have found such success just by using her tips and her web design and things like that. So you definitely want to check out Allie. Now, her promotion that I am so excited to tell you about is that she is opening up a workshop in January to help you with your branding. She really focuses with female small business owners. So if that is you, then this is the workshop you want to join. Allie is offering this workshop right now for free. So if you are interested in taking this branding workshop, then you definitely want to head over her website, or you want to click the link below. It will bring you directly to the workshop sign up so you can save your spot today. So if you have any interest in branding yourself, you definitely want to head to that workshop. So click the link in the description box below. And like I said, Allie's offering this sign up right now for free, but it won't be for free forever. So you have to save your spot now because it will eventually be a paid membership. I'm so thankful that Allie was able to let me promote her on this channel. I'm so super excited for her, and I'm so excited I've been able to feature all of these women so far that I have on my 8 days of Vlogmas. Question for my viewers. So this background right now that I got going on, do we like it? Is it not good enough? Should I rotate my camera and just have the tree? Should I go in front of my fireplace with the stockings? Let me know in the comments below. Should I mix up my background or keep it the same? What are you guys thinking? I'm not always sure, so I want to know what the viewers think. So comments below. Should I change my background, keep it the same, move it towards the tree, get some stockings? What should I do? Also, if you stay to the end, you will see my behind the scenes setup. So if you're in for a good laugh, then I would definitely stay to the end because you're gonna like what you see. Thank you so much for staying to the end and watching today's Vlogmas video. If you really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already there. I typically put out videos every week, and right now for Vlogmas every day until the 25th of Christmas. We'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas 9. Good night. Allie is off. Allery.